Kuiper belt, an asteroid belt beyond the orbit of Neptune. These objects are about the same size as Pluto and have similar irregular orbits. Astronomers knew that there were more objects like this to be discovered. Amid concerns that the number of planets could become untenable, the IAU began discussing changing the definition of planet. After years of debate, the final definition was decided in August of 2006. In order to be a planet, the object must meet these requirements. It must orbit a star or sun. It must have enough self-gravity to become round. It must clear the neighborhood of its orbit. Bodies like Pluto and Eris were reclassified as dwarf planets. Even within the IAU, debate was heated. Only 4% of the IAU members voted on the resolution, and serious criticisms remain unanswered. For more about this debate, let's turn to Rebecca Brinson. Rebecca Brinson is a longtime volunteer with 826 Seattle and taught the Pluto workshop today. She is a vocal supporter of this cause.
Thank you, Samar. Soon after the announcement of the IAU resolution and the resulting demotion of Pluto, debate raged. Proponents of the charge claim that the refining taxonomies is a continual necessity, while disheartened fans of Pluto noted that the only criteria not met was that of clearing its path, and that even gas giants are troubled by fields of small asteroids. There are points for and against this change. Some of these are emotional and some are anchored in sound science. Today we held a workshop to discuss this debate. Students wrote essays for or against. I want to bring up the students that were in our workshop today. Can everybody who wrote something come up and stand?
Most every single planet in the solar system hasn't accumulated every object in its path, but Pluto has just accumulated such a small amount, so small, that it just can't be considered in the same realm as the other planets.
I believe Pluto is a planet because planet is a title that should be important. Titles are important so you know what things are and what they do. Bowls are for eating, even if you are a human or a dog or a cat. Some bowls are big and some are small and some are smaller. Woo! But you can always figure out what a bowl is because bowl is a title that you know. Planet is also a title that we know, and it means something round and goes around the sun, just like Pluto. Even though Pluto is different from Earth, like having less gravity, that doesn't mean it isn't a planet too.
Yeah.
It is also much smaller than the moon. How pathetic is that? I mean, come on. If you have to orbit something and have that same thing orbit you, that's being very indecisive. And why should I have to support a dwarf planet? Is it too small and weak to defend itself? Yes. Yes, it is. So be anti-Plutonian. Fight against Pluto. Pluto is nothing special. It is just like all the other dwarf planets.